Hello, 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 hello from Ahmed again today. Since we started all this long drift, and because of air consumption, some people cannot drift all this distance, for example from the beginning of the Bunutan beach all the way to Lipa beach. So that's why I started to thinking about how to solve this problem. And even this 13-liter tanks is not enough. I decided to take something from the technical diving and started making these stage tanks. When I have some advanced divers who wants to go to Chandidas, I am not sure they will be able to stay underwater enough, because there's no point. The dives are deep, and if the dive is only 20-30 minutes, it's like a kind of pity, right? So some of divers in a group, they always have a better air consumption, so I have to put everyone on one line. So when everyone is exiting the dive same time, because simply we have to do safety stop in a blue wood, and if we are spread it out, it's a big stress for the boatman and a kind of risky as well, because it's always better to stay all together. And sometimes it's not that much about air consumption, it's also some safety. Because, for example, in a Bunutan we have downgoing currents, so in Chandidas also we have strong currents, and sometimes people use most air while getting down to, for example, the Taket Island, the top of which one is on a 15 meters, and finally we're getting down and there's not that much air left actually. Like, okay, turn around, go back. So to prevent all these things, I'm using these stage tanks. I've been passing by this place 4.5 years. It was always been a really busy place, and that's why I didn't want to come here. But today we came to Bali Safari. Look at the parking place. No any car. Whenever we have a wedding anniversary, we're going to some zoo. Doesn't matter which part of the world we are. We've been in Philippines, we've been in Latvia, we've been in other countries. This one is the first stop. I have no idea where we are going.
Here is a freshwater aquarium, and now they are feeding what is that? Fishes with the teeth.
With the teeth? Many fishes with the teeth.
No, that
Sharks.
was, no.
Okay.
Piranha.
it's interesting to look at this freshwater fishes as well. We are waiting for the tiger show.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bali Safari Park at Harimau Amphitheater. My name is Mita. We hope you enjoyed our tiger presentation. We also manage a breeding program and a world-class Sumatran Tigers Genome Research Bank.
Здорово. Да не надо. Тут здорово, это темно. Нет, это нет.
А, у нее так быстро получается все. А просто
Она девочка с характером.
Она быстро.
we can ride and see.
That's two young ladies. One is 27, one is 28 years old. Conclusion. Safari Park is not bad. We actually really enjoyed this place. And especially at the moment there are not so many people coming to this place. We were almost going in an empty bus, and beautiful. We were able to, there was no any lines. As you can see here, it's all, the capacity of this place is huge. But today there were almost, I don't know, altogether maybe 10 people we saw. The only thing which I didn't like is maybe too many elephants in one such a small place, but I have no information why it's like that. Maybe it's just like that, I don't know. Maybe it's only temporary thing. But anyways, beautiful place. Definitely recommend it if you are in Bali. Visit this place, support it. I don't know, as more people coming here, as more the animals has the food, I don't know in what difficulties they are at the moment, because previously there was many people. Every time where I've been passing by this place so many times, and now because there are only a few people coming, maybe they are in a trouble. Maybe they have some support from the government, I have no idea. But beautiful place.
Hello. Yes. Kakak tua, oh, si kakak tu. Ya. Halo baby.
Apa kabar?